We're taking you across the United States.
The cool thing is, all you have to do is push a button.
It's not like I married you and got citizenship.
Today, we're at Mount Rushmore in South Dakota.
All those people were in here?
It's cooler than you might think.
What is it called, ATV? Oh, all over me!
We'll also be taking you on an off-road adventure in the backcountry.
That's South Dakota, can you believe that?
Oh, that's crazy. Historic sights and fast-moving fun. Let's do it. We're headed west. Our next stop will be at a KOA located right by Mount Rushmore in South Dakota.
You ready, Reese?
Yeah.
We're at the KOA right next to Mount Rushmore, and this thing is super nice, man. Like, there's a little country village. You can rent rhinos, and way nicer than we expected. But we're just following this lady. She's going to take us to our campsite number 522.
Where are we going?
In the woods, man.
This place is huge, and the sights are beautiful.
We're going to back this sucker in, Reese. Put it in reverse, it dumps the tag axle. Thank you, man. Good job, Reese. You can take it out and go check out the site, okay?
My very first time ever filming.
The cool thing is, all you have to do is push a button. Auto. And now the coach will level itself out. And once it's leveled, we'll open up the sides. Before that happens, while it's leveling, I pull some stuff out of the sides so it's easier. Because once the sides are out, it's more difficult.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
My very first time filming.
Good job. What do you think of this place?
Good.
Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Go see what Daddy's doing.
Jeremiah does most of the setup. Water, power, and sewer. He's on it. Then we jumped right into the adventure.
Get on your feet, these sights to see. Rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean.
You are big and beautiful. You can hear him crunching.
Yeah. See, he has a bit in his mouth, Reese.
What's that mean?
A bit is what they use to steer them. So you see the thing, the metal piece in the mouth?
Yeah.
That goes, it's a bar, and it goes across to the other side. And they hook the rein up to it. And they hook a rein up to it, and then, you know, the horse, they pull. That's what they're pulling, one side, yeah. That's how they tell the horse how to steer.
Jeremiah's family was all into horses. He's not. He's pretty much the outcast.
Do you guys live here? Back there at the staffing?
Yes, we live for the summer back there.
That's so cool.
Right next to the horses.
I know, yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, because we, like, afternoon shift, like, they just got here, but, like, we get to ride our horses to work. And then, like, morning shift, we get to ride horses home from work. So,
Oh, that's awesome.
That's really neat.
we'll be, like, assigned guide horses, and then that's honestly something. When I get my day off, Cody's over there eating hay, but Cody gets his day off when I have my day off, so it's nice.
That is neat.
My little pony for the summer.
These college-age kids work the farm during tourist season, which is a pretty cool experience. They lead trail rides and stuff. Now we're off to the monument.
I had no idea it was going to be so mountainous and, like, pretty mountains too. I'm not sure if the sun's just perfect or something, but it's really nice.
It's just a few minutes from the KOA to the Mount Rushmore gate.
So we'll get parked and we'll go see what it's all about.
There it is, Abraham Lincoln, George Washington's in the front. I don't remember who the other ones are.
Oh, that's terrible, honey.
I think I get a pass.
No, I get a pass because I'm Canadian and I told you two of
No,
them.
actually, you should have passed the test when you got your citizenship.
I was a child, thank you, I was automatically transitioned over. It's not like I married you and got citizenship.
That's true. I blame your mom.
Oh geez. Okay, walking up to the monument here. This is pretty neat. It's also pretty crowded.
What do you think of that?
Good.
Think you could do that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's pretty high up there.
I could do that in a week.
In a week? Wow.
It'd take me a week to get up there.
That's pretty neat, right?
Not only is the monument cool, The area itself is absolutely breathtaking.
You start it over there, and it goes to the base of the mountain. It's flat for the first quarter of a mile, and then you have lots and lots of steps that go down to the sculptor's studio, and then you have a few steps coming back up. So it's a loop. You start on this end, you wind up on that. 6/10 of a mile in total, 422 steps. You can always turn around.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so do you want to do the presidential
let's do the
trail or
trail.
the museum first?
I think we should do the trail.
I want to do the trail first too. We'll see if Mommy can make it.
Oh, I've got a kid. Or kids.
Harley, Evie, Scarlett, you were here. Whatever your name's gonna be. You were here. This is proof.
6.5 months old, fetus old,
Uh-huh.
was here.
Go first. Let's get
All those people were in here?
I guess so.
Wow.
We're all hanging out. What is that? Oh, look up. Boom.
The Presidential Trail basically takes you down to the bottom of the mountain. It's really pretty.
probably some bears in here.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Maybe.
All right, so we got one right so far.
Abraham Lincoln.
Each president has a little spot with info about their lives.
He was a lawyer, Republican politician. He was born in Kentucky.
Old GW.
Oh, they were both born in February, the last two.
Oh, no, you have to be president.
Yeah, okay.
Down we go. Getting those steps in, baby.
Thomas Jefferson. Teddy Roosevelt.
So I had 3 of the 4 right. I was
You
missing
good.
Jefferson.
Very good.
Collectively, we knew 3 of the 4. It was actually me, and I'm the only non-natural American, I might add, guys.
I was busy serving to learn to know.
So, what I thought was,
Oh my God, I've had a sugar.
At least you're honest.
at least it's honest, really neat. One was a soldier, which I think all presidents should have to serve.
I was born in Canada, but I've lived in the States for most of my adult life. I've been a US citizen since I was a kid. We ended up at the museum before walking up the 400 stairs to where we began.
Are you ready for the 400 stairs? 400 stairs. Let's do it.
Okay.
We're gonna run it.
That was fun. We're so happy we came here. It was way cooler than we expected. But wait, there's more.
Who you gonna send your postcards to?
My sibling.
We finished the day playing in the water, and tomorrow we're going off-roading. Here come the boys. Good morning. We've rented an ATV and we're out of here. Just hopped in our, what is it called, ATV?
Yeah.
We're gonna go ATVing. How you doing back there? Just kind of saw these at the KOA we're staying at. We're like, heck yeah, let's run them. So cool. We got to see a train. They just give you a vehicle, a map, and off you go. You go through a town on regular roads, and then you go into some pretty serious country. No tour guides, buddy renters, or anything. You're all alone, which is pretty awesome.
Come on up, co-pilot. You're the navigator.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
So whenever left turn's coming, you'll be like left, and I'll be like left, right, left. Okay?
My mommy said that.
All right.
You gotta get Daddy up to that point right there where it says 530.
We're gonna do that, and we're gonna be going on the road. Here you go. Hold that. All right, you ready?
Ready? We're a family that loves speed, motocross, and pretty much any other off-road vehicle. It's right up our alley. Covered in mud. Ha, that's true. Have I mentioned that this place is beautiful? Holy smokes.
That's South Dakota. Can you believe that?
No, that's crazy.
It's really pretty.
Can you pull off to the side up here?
Up here or here?
Like at that hill up there?
Up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the way we go?
I don't know. Mom, you're all muddy. I don't know if you want to get
It's so pretty.
She's too muddy. It shows the GoPro.
You didn't even see my arm yet, Reese.
Yeah, the GoPro is covered in mud. Sweet. Yeah. Look, that's the ride right there. That thing's sick. Wolverine.
Oh, look at your arms.
You having
All
fun?
over my sunglasses.
We're like halfway. No, I don't even think we're even halfway through. That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna get a picture. We rented one of these once in Hawaii, and that was amazing. But this is really cool. That was on a tour, and you're all alone on this. They give you a navigation, a map, and tell you to go, and you go 3 hours, man. It's pretty cool. What do you think? What's your favorite part?
Mommy getting mud on her.
He's gonna say he liked me getting covered in mud.
Yeah,
that
you
what he said?
You know your son.
Oh my gosh. Terrible. Woo!
Now you see how I did that?
Yeah.
A horse fly was on her. I just went and got it. Gone.
The horsefly, not two massive cockroaches.
Recently, we were at, go ahead and take your picture. We were at a motocross race. We were over at Red Butt, and we were sitting there, and I guess a cockroach had climbed up. Two cockroaches had climbed up Brittany's, like, we were sitting there, and it climbed up her clothes and got in her hair. And Reese was like, there's a cockroach in your, or there's a bug in your hair. And she freaked out, man, right?
Yeah.
Freaked out. Shaking her hair and everything. Got one off, it flew off, and she ran inside she thought it was one, ran inside the RV, and then another one popped out. So it dropped a freaking cockroach in the RV because she freaked out. She peed everywhere and stuff. But
Yeah.
and I told Reese the way to, huh? Yeah. I told Reese the way to do it is knock it off her. Don't tell her, because what would she do if you tell her? Oh yeah, pee her pants and freak out. Yeah.
We sometimes wonder where we'll end up after all this traveling is over. I think this place has officially made the list.
We smoked these guys on this trail, man. We were so far ahead of them.
There they are.
Oh, we're gonna pass them again.
Yeah.
Mom, let's go. Brittany at the helm. Hit it real quick, see if you feel it.
We're on the way back, we think. It wasn't completely straightforward, but we made it eventually. It was time to settle in and get ready for the next adventure. Coming up,
It's not marked very well.
Yeah, right. You should probably be in a bikini.
we're off to another fantastic destination.
This is a cockroach?
We'll hike up the Grand Tetons in Wyoming.
Feel like you're driving a billboard?
It's like I'm driving a sail.
Then we're off. For the rodeo,
Did you say you'd ride a bull? Second time in a row, we've gotten kicked out.
How are you feeling at 31 weeks, sweetie?
How about you tell me how you think you'd be feeling at 31 weeks?
This is Afghanistan all over again.
want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.